In today's video, we are going to show you how to face swap in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in to your Higgsfield account, go to the top right corner where you can see the image section and scroll down until you find the feature that says face swap, wherein you can create realistic face swaps. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. Now, if you have already an image that you wanted to work on, click on it. But if you don't have, click the option that says your photo, upload the face you want to insert, and click the target image photo with a face to replace. All right, so in my case, I'm going to click this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to click the target image, the photo with a face to replace. Now, before you click the generate, okay, you might want to make sure to choose the orientation. Is it going to be like 3:4, 16:9, or auto? And for the model, you want to make sure that you are using the least credit taking model, which is going to be the Higgsfield face swap. As you may notice, it is free to generate, okay? And once you're happy with this, click the generate button. It may take a little while depending on the complexity of the images that you wanted to swap. Okay, so once rendering is done, and if you needed, you can tweak the settings and regenerate. But once you're happy, click the download button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to face swap in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.